What the fuck is wrong with
I'm gonna brace myself, bro. Fucking.
Come on with it.
Oh fuck, man.
Look like that.
Come on, bro.
Wait. Like that. Now, you know if you flinching, I don't get it the right way, I get it again because I ain't getting it right. So just close your eyes and just let it be.
Yeah,
Don't peek.
You ain't gonna hit the nose, right?
No, I ain't gonna hit you in the nose.
Alright.
Just close your eyes and don't peek. Don't peek. Look, don't peek.